Winegard Extreme Wi-Fi Extender Installation. To install your Winegard Extreme Wi-Fi extender, begin by attaching the 3 Wi-Fi antennas to the base unit. Firmly tighten each antenna by hand. To attach the mounting bracket, slide the Ethernet cable coming off the antenna through the hole in the mounting bracket, then through the nylon bolt. Secure the nylon bolt into the hole in the bottom of the antenna until the mounting bracket is firm against the bottom of the antenna. To mount the antenna, insert the U-bolt through the clamp and the bottom holes of the mounting bracket. Use the provided hex nuts to secure the antenna to the mounting pole. Tighten using a 7/16 wrench. With the outdoor Ethernet connectors disassembled, slide the end of the cable from the antenna through the nut. Using the slit on the side of the rubber seal, slip the seal onto the cable. Slide the crimp onto the cable and push the seal into the crimp. Plug the end of the cable into the barrel connector and make sure you hear it click. Slide the crimp until you can thread it onto the barrel connector and screw the nut back onto the crimp. Tighten both until snug. Repeat this process with the cable that runs into the building. Connect the Ethernet cable from the antenna to the antenna port on the PoE. The PoE must be installed indoors. Plug the provided power cord into a wall outlet and the PoE. Turn the power switch to the on position and the LED will light up. Congratulations, you have successfully installed your Winegard Extreme Wi-Fi extender. If you have questions on this product or need assistance, please contact Winegard customer support at 800-288-8094 or email help@winegard.com.